In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram automatically closing problem easily and fast. So there is two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to open the Play Store on your phone and then go to the search here, search for Instagram, and right here you will find this update option. If you found it, that means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram and you should update it. After you update it, now you have to do the second way. If it's not working yet, go to the settings on your phone, go to apps right here. This is the apps manager page. Click on Instagram and then go to the power usage details, go to the app launch and make sure that it's on manage automatically, then go back, click here on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.